Geez, this is nuts. This is doing the work for me. This is crazy. All right, so here's where we're at in the journey to have AI create my Etsy shop for me as far as what we've already done. Just to kind of recap a little bit. We've gotten AI to give us a good printable idea, a good niche to really focus on and build our shop around. We got it to give us our name, our logo name, our brand elements, our brand and logo design. And then I created that in Canva using the actual criteria that AI gave me. Now, the next step is really to kind of hone in on my niche, which is travel and adventure, specifically travel journals, planners for documenting trips, packing lists, and bucket lists. So those are a couple of examples that AI gave me. So I'm going to hone in on that and see if I can get some more specifics on product line, product ideas that I can go in and then create for sale on Etsy, centered around that specific criteria. So generally speaking, I know those are some ideas: travel journals, planners. But can it give me like a specific product line? Because it's always good to release product lines, not random things. So let's see what AI can give me. I'm gonna type it in Chat GTP or GPT. I always mix it up. I always say the wrong combination of letters at the end. All right, so I am creating an Etsy shop selling printable and downloadable items. My niche is travel and adventure. Can you give me 5 specific product lines I can create within this niche? See, I don't know if this is going to be specific enough. I may have to actually say, give me 5. I may have to pick one of these and say, give me 5 travel journals to create or something like that. But let me see what it gives me here. Certainly, here are 5 specific product lines you can create for travel and adventure themed Etsy shop. Personalized travel itineraries offer customizable travel itineraries based on customers' interests and desired destinations. Each itinerary could include recommendations for sightseeing, local cruise, accommodations, travel, transport options, all presented in a visually appealing, easy to follow format. Travel journal templates. Design unique and functional travel journal templates that allow customers to document their trips, including daily highlights, reflections, and photos. Offer various layouts such as daily logs, bucket lists, and expense trackers. Adventure themed art prints. Create a series of downloadable art prints for popular travel destinations. See, that's not, I'm doing printables. I guess I could do art prints, but travel packing list. Design detailed categorized packing lists for different types of trips. Beach, city, backpacking, and various climates. Include a customized section where customers can add their own items or make notes. Destination guide ebooks. Write and design comprehensive destination guide ebooks covering popular travel destinations around the world. Each guide could feature insider tips, must-see attractions, local customs, etiquette, and suggestions. For off the beaten path experience, offer these as standalone guides. So these are all really good. The last one is it's going to be a lot of work unless I have AI created for me. They're all pretty good. Some of these, I think probably the thing that I need to lean towards is the one that's going to be easier, require less work for me to do. So the themed art prints, that's something that I would have to create. That'd be a lot of work. I think the travel packing lists, to narrow this down a little bit more, is probably going to be something that I think is the most beneficial, because I always have a packing list that I create. It's nothing formal. It's literally a list of, hey, let's make a list of this stuff that we cannot forget. Otherwise, we're screwed, especially if you're going overseas. So the travel packing list idea, I think, is really good, and it's something that you can tailor towards beach vacation, city, backpacking, whatever your type of travel is going to be. So I'm going to pick that one. I'm going to hone in on that one and really focus on that one. So let me just see if AI can give me more information. All right, so I need a list of, let's just do 20 ideas for travel packing lists. Downloadable travel packing list. Let's just say printable. For printable, let's see. I want to make sure I word this correctly. I need a list of 20 ideas for printable travel packing lists that I can sell on my travel Etsy shop. All right, let's see if it gives me, let's see what it gives me for that. So I'm focusing, I'm tailoring, kind of telling it what I want to focus on. Here's a list, because it already gave me some really good information. Boom, look at these. Beach vacation packing list, city break packing list, camping trip packing list, cruise packing list, road trip, ski trip, international, family travel, solo travel. These printable packing lists cater to a wide range of travel styles and situations, providing a comprehensive guide for your customers as they prepare for their adventures. Wow, this is cool. All right, so I wonder if I can dive in and it'll create each of these specifically. So let's take it a step further here. Let's just do number one. I need you to create a specific beach vacation packing list. Let's just say printable. Not that it wouldn't be printable, but let's just say beach vacation printable. Okay, let's just see. Boom. Here's a beach vacation printable packing list you can offer in your Etsy shop. Oh, so it already knows based on my previous, that's another thing, it tracks my previous conversation. This is crazy. Oh my God. Beach vacation packing list, clothing, shorts, underwear, socks. Some of this stuff is sun hat. Some of the stuff's obvious. Beach essentials. Jeez, this is nuts. This is doing the work for me. This is crazy. Unreal, man. So literally, I just have to take this information and pop it into a template on Canva, and I'm good to go. This is wild. So what I'll probably do is pop this into Canva, make it beach themed. And I can even do a couple of different themes. Geez, this is a long freaking list. Travel information. Holy smokes. How many points is this going to give me? Sun protection. Lip balm. It even breaks it into specific sections for me. That's awesome. Holy smokes. All right, so let's just do city break packing list. I'm gonna copy most of these words, and I'm gonna do your specific city break printable packing list. Here's a city break printable packing list you can offer in your Etsy shop. Organize the items into categories. Make it visually appealing, easy to follow. Clothing, comfortable walking shoes, light sweater or jacket, underwear. Never forget your underwear. That would be good. Light range outerwear. Yeah, it's breaking out into clothing, outerwear. I mean, this is freaking amazing. Toiletries. That's the next section. So I'm gonna go through. And I'm not sure how many listings I'm going to do. I'm gonna go through and pick what I think are gonna be the most popular packing lists. And I'm gonna create these in Canva. I mean, this is all the work's done for me. And literally there is going to probably be packing list templates in Canva. So I just have to edit them and then download them and put them in the Etsy shop when I create it. And I'll take you along on that journey as I do the actual design of these packing lists so you can see. But this takes a lot of the work out of it. And you just gotta look through this stuff. It's not, I mean, this looks pretty perfect. Sometimes there's a little things that don't make sense, but this looks pretty darn good. I'm not gonna lie. So that is it for this segment. You saw how I got AI to narrow down my niche into a product line and then even tell me what to create. Doesn't get much easier than that. So the next step is going to be going in, creating this stuff, and then getting ready to pop it in my Etsy shop and open the actual Etsy shop. And then I'll use AI to design the whole Etsy shop too, as far as the content that's going to be in there. So stay tuned for that. That's coming next. All right, guys, it is product creation time. In my previous segment, I went through using ChatGPT to get specific product listing recommendations on exactly what packing lists to do and the content that's going to go on each packing list for my vacation printables that ChatGPT told me to do. So I have everything ready to go. Now I'm going to take that information, I'm going to go into Canva, and I'm going to create these templates, which I will then upload to Etsy once I get the store open. But I want to get a couple of these designed first, so I have them. So immediately once I open the store, I have some products to upload. All right, so here we go. I am in, this is kind of a recap of the ChatGPT. This is a beach vacation packing list. This is all of the, they segmented out into clothing, beach essentials, toiletries, electronics, yada, yada. This is what I'm going to actually, the information that I'm going to enter in the template that I create in Canva. So I'm going to pop over here in Canva. I'm just going to have it create a document. I want it to be a document size. So I'm going to do a random, they have specific sizes. I'm going to do a document size. And then I'm going to look and see if they have any templates I can work from already. So I'm not reinventing the wheel. You can't just take a design in Canva and sell it. You have to change something on it and make it your own. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. But you don't have to start from ground zero. The nice thing about Canva is you can start using an existing design that they have, which will make things a lot easier. So let's go to the templates, and I'm going to search for travel packing list and see what they have as far as templates here. So we have packing sheets, kind of looking at the different designs that I want to work from here. Travel to-do list, travel checklist, packing list. All right, so once you click on it, it automatically puts them here. So this is very simplistic. Let's see what other ones. Travel packing list, packing checklist. So this one is a little bit more involved, which I like that one. This is gonna be good. I think I can work from this. I'm gonna delete this one out of here, and I'm going to click to edit it, because I want to be able to change all of this stuff on this travel packing list. And I'm going to make this, again, the beach vacation packing list. Boom, we are done. We have our beach vacation packing list. I was trying to keep it to one page, but there was just too much stuff on here. I'd rather go above and beyond. So it is 2 pages. And then I added an other section, and I added a notes section, just some other elements to give it a little pizzazz, to give it some more value when we are putting this on Etsy. But that is it. It took me about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes to create this. Some of the stuff was user error. I'm not a Canva expert, but you can easily see how you can use a resource like this to create something from scratch using templates based on everything the AI gave me. All the information, the hard part is the information. AI gave it all to me. I just copied and pasted and formatted it on here. Now I'm good to download this as a PDF and have it ready to go when I get my Etsy shop opened, which is coming very soon.